Welcome. So I've gotten several questions about doing a video about AngryFuzzer and enumerating and reconnaissance on a basic website. So what I figured I would do is go ahead and get a video put together for it. First thing I did was I made sure to do a update and an upgrade just to make sure everything was fully good to go. And they are. I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to copy my AngryFuzzer to my desktop. So I want to go ahead and change the directory to my desktop. And then I actually want to go find out where to get it. So AngryFuzzer git clone. Again, it is described as a reconnaissance tool. You'll notice here tools for information gathering. It's mainly for websites. I'm getting it right there. If you aren't sure what it's about, you can always check its README. And you're going to notice there a requirements text. I'm going to point that out here in a second. Right, so we will do a git clone, paste our link. You'll notice we'll copy to the desktop. So it needs to be able to get those items. So you can do this several different ways. Normally, I'm a little bit lazier, so actually I want to pipe in my requirements text so that I can get it that way. All right, so what I'm going to do is, helps if I'm typing in the right box. ls. I want to change directories to my AngryFuzzer. ls again. I want to pipe in the requirements, so there'll be a sudo pip install -r, and it will look up anything after that R. So I'm basically saying install in those areas. If you get an error for this, one thing that I have found is sometimes they're already installed, and so you won't need to get them. I could not find a version that satisfies the requirements for Paris. So because there are no matching distributions found for this, all right, that is okay. All right, just paused the video for a second, did a little bit of research just to make sure, and this is a known issue. This right here is having problems, but you'll notice that the big one right here is Python. It's already in there. So we should be good from there. ls, we actually want to go ahead and run the appropriate Python script. You'll notice that by the .py. And there we go. You'll notice if you just do that with nothing else, nothing happens. You can do -h, and that will get you help. Normally what people are going to be doing is -h for help, U for URL, that's a common one, -c for CMS, or --CMS. That way you could be scanning for certain things like WordPress and things like that, or CMS system. What I'm going to do is -URL. Now make sure whatever website you're doing this on, you have permission to do it on. I'm doing it on a school website, and I was given permission to do that, so I'm going to let it start scanning and see what I can find. While it's doing that, I'm actually going to make my window a little bit bigger. I'm going to pause the video while this scans. Okay. I have a feeling this is going to be going on for a while. Essentially, it's going to start trying to find all hidden directories that it can find. So I'm actually just going to go ahead and kill the task with a Control C. But what happens if I want to look at a specific CMS? Tac CMS, I can do WordPress, for example. And then that will start looking for common areas that might have WordPress. I've not gotten a definitive way of how to read all of this, because when I'm looking at this, I see these 404s. I'm thinking it's a 404 page not found, where sometimes these 200s are legitimate access. Now, I could be totally wrong. I don't know. But I am looking for further detail in examining this. And actually, that's a little short, sweet video on how to set this up, how to get it working. And again, this isn't a end all. This was more of an intro to using AngryFuzzer. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thank you.